Welcome to our online class. This is Ma'am Teresa Tubal. Join me to enjoy mathematics. Are you ready to learn about the arithmetic mean? Let's go. What is arithmetic mean? It is the terms between two given terms of an arithmetic sequence. Example is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So the arithmetic mean is 4, 6, and 8. Let us recall what you have learned in identify the missing term of the arithmetic sequence. Okay, instruction, find the missing term in the arithmetic sequence. First term is 5, third term is 15, and then the last term is equal to 25. What is the answer? Correct. The answer is 10 and 20 because the common difference is equal to 5. How about number 2? In the sequence -1, -5, what is the missing? And then the last term is equal to -17. Correct. The answer is equal to -9 and -13 because the common difference is equal to -4. Question number 3. In the sequence 15, third term is 27, the fourth term is 33. What is the missing in this arithmetic sequence? Correct. The answer is equal to 21 and 39 because the common difference is equal to 6. How about number 4? In the sequence 49, 42, and the fourth term is equal to 28. What is the answer? Correct. The answer is equal to 35 and 21 because the common difference is equal to -7. How about number 5? The first term is -1, the fourth term is -4, the fifth term is -5. What is the missing term? Correct. The missing term is -2 and -3 because the common difference is equal to -1. Let's do it. Let us familiarize how to get the arithmetic mean. The formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. A sub n denotes the last term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is common difference. Question number 1. Insert an arithmetic mean between 5 and 11. So the first term is 5, the last term is 11, and the number of terms is equal to 1, 2, 3. So n is equal to 3. As you can see in the given, the first term is 5, the third term is 11, the number of terms is equal to 3. So let us try the solution. Formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. We need to substitute the last term and the first term and the number of terms to the formula. So this becomes 11 equals 5 plus n, that is 3, minus 1 times d. So 3 minus 1, PEMDAS, the parentheses, so that is equal to 2d. The rest, copy. We need to combine 11 and 5. So this becomes 11, change the sign of 5, that becomes -5. Same position of 2d, so bring down 2d. And then 11 minus 5, that is equal to 6, copy 2d. To solve for d, we need to divide both sides with positive 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2d divided by 2, that is equal to d. So the common difference is equal to 3. So if we insert arithmetic mean between 5 and 11, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So it means the arithmetic mean between 5 and 11 is equal to 8. Question number 2. Insert two arithmetic means between negative 15 and negative 45. So the first term is negative 15, the last term is negative 45, and the number of terms is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see in the given, the first term is negative 15, the fourth term is negative 45, the number of terms is equal to 4. So the solution, we need to get the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. We need to substitute all the given to the solution or to the formula. So this becomes the last term or the fourth term that is equal to negative 45. The first term that is equal to negative 15. The number of terms is 4. Copy negative 1 times d. And then 4 minus 1 is 3d. Copy negative 45, copy negative 15. And then combine negative 45 and negative 15. This becomes negative 45. Change the sign of negative 15. That becomes positive 15. Copy 3D. Subtract and then copy the big sign. So negative 45 plus 15 is negative 30. Bring down 3D. To solve for D, we need to divide both sides with positive 3. So negative 30 divided by 3 is negative 10. 3 divided by 3, that is equal to 1D. So the common difference for question number 2 is equal to negative 10. If we insert two arithmetic means between negative 15 and negative 45, the answer is negative 25 and negative 35. Negative 15 and negative 10 add, copy the big sign, that becomes negative 25. Negative 25 minus 10 add, copy the big sign, so that becomes negative 35. So the two arithmetic mean is negative 25 and negative 35. Question number 3. If four arithmetic means are to be inserted between negative 7 and 33, what is the second arithmetic mean? Again, the first term is negative 7, the last term is 33. The number of terms is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. As you can see in the given, the first term is negative 7, the sixth term is 33, the number of terms is 6. So, solution. The formula again is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. We need to replace all the given to the formula. So the last term is 33. The first term is negative 7. The number of terms is equal to 6. Copy negative 1 times d. 6 minus 1 is 5d. Copy 33, copy negative 7. Let us combine 33 and 7. So 33, change the sign of negative 7, that becomes positive 7, bring down 5d. 33 plus 7, that is equal to 40, equals 5d. So to solve for d, we need to divide both sides with positive 5. So 40 divided by 5, that is equal to 8. 5d divided by 5, that is equal to 1d. So the common difference for question number 3, that is equal to positive 8. If we insert from negative 7 up to positive 33, so it means negative 7 plus 8 is 1, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 8 is 26. But the second arithmetic mean, so this is the first arithmetic mean, second arithmetic mean, third arithmetic mean, fourth arithmetic mean. But the question is second arithmetic mean. So the second arithmetic mean is only equal to 9. Can you answer the next activities? Let's go. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 10 and negative 10. The first term is 10, the last term is negative 10. The number of terms is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? Correct. The answer is equal to 5 and then 0 and negative 5 because 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, 0 minus 5 that is equal to negative 5. Activity number 2. Insert 5 arithmetic means between 4 and 40. So the number of terms is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. Any idea what is the answer for activity number 2? Correct. The answer is equal to 10 because 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 plus 6 is 28. 28 plus 6 is equal to 34. So the 5 arithmetic mean is 10, 16, 22, 28, and 34. Arithmetic mean is the terms between two given terms of an arithmetic sequence. Example is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So the arithmetic mean is 4, 6, and 8. The formula to be used. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. A sub n denotes the last term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Any question about the arithmetic mean? I hope you enjoy. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.